Alright bro, so what are we doing for you today?
The huge. If we can do like a zero fade here, like we always do with the line.
Yeah.
And the top, really, dude, it's we don't need to take really anything off.
Let's get on with the video, shall we? Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? It's your boy the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. This is my boy Joe Pirrotta. He actually owns Wicks and Wires in Vaughan, Ontario. So if you guys need anything for your vaping needs, this is definitely the guy to reach out to. It's located in Vaughan, Ontario, and the shop is called Wicks and Wires. He is the owner. So here we're going in on Joe with our Gold FX skeletons, and we're creating our first ball guideline. Alright, here we got our Wahl seniors with our number 2 guard, and we're basically just going up with our number 2 because basically our number 2 is going to be the last guard we use to fade to the top of the hair. Now we're going in with our lever fully open, creating our second guideline. Now we got our lever fully closed, and I zero gap the hell out of my trimmers, so I'm able to actually knock out the trimmer line with no problems. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And now we got the lever half closed, and we're basically just knocking at that line until it's completely Houdini'd, baby. All right, now we got our 1 guard lever fully open, creating our third guideline. All right, now we got our half guard lever fully closed, and you just want to scoop in right below that line and flick out, because you don't want to bring your steps any higher. That's just more unnecessary work that you have to put in to get extra lines out that don't need to be there. You know what I mean? So basically we're going fully closed, half open, and fully open until that line completely vanishes. Now we got our 1.5 guard, and basically we're just fading the 1.5 guard into the number 2 that we originally used before we started the haircut. And here it's just all lever play, guys. Fully open, half closed, and closed until that line completely disappears. Now we're going in with our 1 guard, lever fully open, just banging out any dark spots that could still be there. I'm super picky, so when I see dark spots, you know, I spend a ton of time there just trying to lighten everything out. You know, customer appreciates it more, you know what I mean, when you take those extra couple of minutes and just make sure everything's crispy and on point. Now we're going in on his vertical bars with our FX. Going around the ear with the FX, just make sure we got every little hair that we could have missed. And of course, me being, you know, super OCD, I saw some dark spots, so I had to go in and touch them up a little bit. And now we're doing a little clipper overcomb, because there was a little bit of a ridge hanging over, so now we're just kind of clipper over combing it into the number 2. And of course, we got to grab our thinning shears, you know, pull little S-Craft blends, flip the comb around, you know what I mean? You know, and tap at those little dark spots, you know, get super, super detailed. And that is one side of the haircut done, guys. Now what we do on one side, we obviously do on the other. So I decided to time lapse it for you guys so you don't have to sit here and go through the whole thing. But in the meantime, I definitely like to tell you guys that I appreciate you for subscribing to my channel, liking my video, and commenting on my videos, and I hope you continue to do so. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And here I decided to slow it back to normal for you guys, because here I'm going in on his left side, doing his left vertical bar, and we're gonna be shaving his parting in. So I want to show you guys how that's done. So we're going in with our gold FX, and we're just creating a rough draft. We're gonna flip our effects upside down, because as we know, there's always two sides to a line, right guys? And then we're gonna flip our trimmers right side up again and go over the line again, just to make sure that we're getting all the hairs that we're supposed to be getting to create that sharp parting, you know what I mean? Of course, we're gonna go in with our scissors, make sure every hair is gone that is possibly hanging over that parting. And he wanted his beard faded in, so there's just quick beard fade. You know, nothing spectacular, nothing too, you know, advanced. Basically just your lever fully open, half closed and closed with no guard. And then you go in and blend it in with the number 1 guard. Lever fully open, half closed and closed. All right, now we're wetting the top of the hair. He just wanted his bangs trimmed up just a little bit, so, you know, it was a little bit even. As you can tell there, it's not too even. So we flip around to the other side, just finish it off there. Then we comb it over to the right. Comb it down a little bit. Catch any hairs that are hanging over there too. Now we're going in with our 245 triple cartridge razor. Obviously I have the fully exposed, because that's just the dopest to use, because you can see everything. And we are going with the grain, then against the grain, both sides to a line, make it pop like a mofo, you know what I mean? Now guys, that is the before. He was looking a little bit raggedy, you know? Joe, you looking raggedy, boy. Woo! I had to clean him up though. I had to clean him up. And that is the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will do the best I can to release content as often as I can. I appreciate you guys.
Oh, yeah.
What's happening here?
I don't know, bro, but that was an awesome haircut. So you have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment below.